back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bianca and I am a stay-at-home first-time mama to a baby girl who's 15 months old. I provide makeup, lifestyle, and fashion type of videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you watch the whole thing, and don't forget to leave me comments below. Hey guys, so today we're going to run some errands with Mel and we're going to do a quick and easy makeup look. So I'm going to be using the Halo Glow by e.l.f. and this is in the color medium. Really love this stuff here, especially when you don't want to do nothing heavy on your face. Just gonna blend this in. I really love the finish of this product. Like the way this e.l.f. leaves my skin glowing is beautiful. Like, look at this glow, guys. I have really dehydrated skin, so my face is always really dry. So I love products that are just like creamy and hydrating because it really helps with my skin. So we're gonna go with my L'Oreal True Match. Right now, this is my go-to. I'm just gonna dab a little bit. And I'm just gonna tap that in. Guys, a little bit always goes a long way. Sometimes I like to go in with a little like blender and kind of just blend that in as well. Then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of bronzer, and this is the Fenty Beauty, and this is in the color Truffle 04. And I'm just gonna take a brush that looks something like this and just blend everything in. And guys, the more you do this, the quicker and easier it's going to be and the less time it's going to take to do this. I really like to contour my nose, even though I should, because I feel like I have like a huge nose. But I don't know, I've never been super good at contouring my nose. So I've always kind of just like, ignored it, I guess. Next, I'm going to put a little bit of blush. And this one is from Essence, Baby Got Blush. And guys, I can't, oh, see. Peach and Cream, that's the color on it. Right here. And I take a brush like this. This is the one that I use for all my cream blushes. I'm just gonna kind of like set the face. So I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. Dab it into it a little. Kind of just set the whole face. I'm also going to take a bronzer and just going to apply that. Just to kind of set everything in place. Swipe that all over my eyes. If I'm in the mood. Sometimes I won't do this, sometimes I will. Next, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of blush. So this is from Juvia's Place, and this is the volume 4. Looks like this. I'm just gonna take a little bit of these two colors, kind of mix them, wipe some of that off, and just lightly, not too much because I don't want like a full makeup look. So something really simple like this. I'm gonna apply some mascara. So next I'm just gonna use a lip liner, and this one's from MAC in the color Strip Down. Next, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is in the color Hush Pink. And it looks like this. Like, I love that nude. I think it's so cute. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go in with my setting spray again. And this is basically it, guys. Okay, so this is my final look, and I think that this was super quick and easy to do, and it's perfect for an everyday makeup look.